in
Jamaica.
What does Jamaica begins with? Which letter? People, atif me?
What? I don't know one letter.
But you're supposed to sound it out and tell me what letter.
J.
What is the letter?
Because may I cry with love?
What is the letter? Hey guys, it's your girl Anna and I am back with another video. Today I have a special guest for you. It is So today is Jamaica Day in Jamaica and we're going to do a Jamaican video. Yes. So we're going to see what Will J know or knows about Jamaica. And people, just a little disclaimer, he's only 5 years old. So if him don't know, him don't know. We're not beating bad, we're not killing him in a social class. It's just for fun and give a little laughter here and there, okay? And if he does answer all the questions right, because I know that he's doing Jamaica right now.
And then I get a sweet yes,
he's going to get a sweetie. You guys will decide if he gets the sweetie or not. So people, put here what Will Jane know. Remember to
like, click, subscribe, and help us to 7 million subscribers.
Whatever he says, remember to turn that bell on so that you'll be notified whenever I post another video. So the first question is who is the Prime Minister of Jamaica?
I'm the honest.
So that's one for him. Somebody please tally up, look, score them. Alright. I'm just freestyling the question. How many parishes does Jamaica has?
4.
Oh, wonderful. How many euros does Jamaica has?
6.
I'm a proud mommy. How much heroin?
1.
Alright, let's get a little more technical. Let's do the flag. What are the colors of the Jamaican flag?
Black, green, gold. Black and green.
Okay. What are the colors? Well, I already asked the colors. What are the
shapes of the colors?
What are the shapes? Yeah.
Rectangle.
So it shapes like a rectangle. And what other shapes do you see on the Jamaican flag? What are these? What's the shape?
It's like
It's shaped like a pyramid. What is this? Alright, we'll come back to that shape because apparently him don't know that shape. We have some money here. What is this money?
100. I know that one.
Yes, this is 100. I'm so proud of you. Him have no money, people. You know, $50. Oh, proud of him. And this is a
$10.
Yes, this is $10. Alright, what is the national dish of Jamaica?
Aki.
Oh, my boy's bright. I feel like me has spent my money for something. Alright, let me see. What is the capital of Clarendon?
Maple.
He said Maple. What is the capital of Manchester? Mandeville. Good boy. Good boy. People, how well did you think Will J did? Please comment below and tell me which country do you live in?
Jamaica.
What does Jamaica begins with? Which letter? People, Atif me?
What? I don't know what letter.
But you're supposed to sound it out and tell me what letter. What is the letter?
We can't see it. May I cry with love?
What is the letter? Remember, no, yeah, if you don't tell me the letter, you can get the sweetie. J. No.
Mommy.
What is it? It's not you.
I do.
Yes, J. Good. Alright, let's ask one more question. Let me see. The bonus question.
Mommy, if I mess up that question, I don't get it.
Yeah, if you mess up this question, you don't get a sweetie.
People, subscribe here. The video.
People, ask my question. Ask my question.
And down here.
Alright, the
and
last
here.
question. The last question is what is your nationality? Yes, Jamaican. people, me proud. My sister, I always want to send them go to school. Yes, boy, I know him heritage and everything.
Mommy, not now that you're sleeping.
Yes, you're gonna get the sweet, but we have to end the video first. So don't forget to
Like, comment, share,
and subscribe. Remember to turn the bell
and
on so
here,
that you will be notified whenever I do post another video. Remember to go and check out my members. And if you're not yet a member, please join my membership. Go and check out AG by Jamaican, Simple Things,
and check
Simple
out
Things
all
Outreach
things
Media, and Joel in the Kitchen. Until next time, it's your girl Anna and
Your boy Will.